Chainlink appears to be trending toward a 1.6% rise, CoinCodex notes for August 26. But first, let's take a second to assess the latest price behavior. Right now, Chainlink is showing a decline of 0.3% and is trading around $11.55. Let's explore what the experts are forecasting. Capital expects the chart to show $11.47 tomorrow, down by approximately 0.7%. Coin price forecast projects Chainlink will move higher toward $11.67, implying a gain of 1%. CoinDataFlow notes it might move higher toward $11.70, roughly 1.3% up. A separate outlook from CoinCodex points to Chainlink climbing to $11.74, a potential increase of roughly 1.6%. Finally, CoinLore expects a move to $11.84 by tomorrow, a rise of 2.5%. This is the top return forecast we've reviewed. All 5 calls are done. Let's proceed. Forecasts reviewed. Here's what each implies in figures. Taking all projections into consideration, the likely price movement is between a decrease of 0.7% and an increase of 2.5%, depending on the analyst. Overall, CoinLore provides the leading forecast with 2.5% gain in value by August 26. To sum it up, you could receive between $7 and $25 for every $1,000 you invest. Judging by the probability, Gov Capital is ahead with a 90.8% chance of success. Out of all the forecasts presented, I've shaped one single consensus overview. The average of predictions leaves Chainlink close to $11.68. So, here's the breakdown. Consensus projections indicate a 1.2% increase by tomorrow. In that scenario, your capital could also see a rise of about 1.2%. A 1,000 example position may imply potential gains near $12, which adds up to a probability of about 88.4% for the consensus forecast to hold true. At this point, here's what analysts anticipate for the coming 3 days. In this forecast, Gov Capital emphasizes a neutral stance, expecting only slight fluctuations. Coin price forecast suggests upward pressure will persist. CoinDataFlow expects the chart to tilt downward. CoinCodex expects Chainlink to hold its ground. CoinLore signals a likely move upward. The consensus result shows Chainlink positioned on an upward course throughout this short-term horizon. Looking at the combined set of forecasts, the majority position indicates Chainlink may gain ground in the short term. 5 forecasts were given 2 days ago. Today we'll see how they aligned with the outcome. As a result, the verified closing price was $11.62. As it turned out, just a fraction of the forecasts matched the move's direction. If we look at pure accuracy, CoinLore was the closest. Let's put everything in order. All predictions landed within yesterday's daily range. And about ROI, the whole group was in profit, with CoinLore showing the top performance. Here's the full overview with every analyst's performance side by side. For CoinCodex, forecast probability is 91.4% accuracy and ROI 0.5%. Look over the results and find the forecast that hit closest to reality. And now you'll see the comparison of tomorrow's expected returns based on consensus analysis. Chainlink comes in at 3rd place, while Ondo displays forecasted profitability of 3.5%. This is just a preview with 5 cryptocurrencies, and extended comparisons across many assets are already online on my website. Subscribe so you're ready when the next major trend starts forming. Take care, everyone.